In a busy town, there lived a poor boy. His name was John. John lived with his mother in a small old house at the edge of the town. His father had passed away many years before. Since then, life had been difficult. His mother worked hard, washing clothes and cleaning homes for others. She left early every morning and returned tired every evening. She earned very little, but she never complained. Even in hard times, she always taught John to live with honesty. "Money can disappear," she often said, "but good character stays forever." John remembered her words. Every morning, before school, he helped his mother. He carried water. He swept the floor. He sometimes skipped breakfast so his mother could eat a little more. One day, while walking near the crowded market road, John noticed something on the ground. It was a wallet, a thick black wallet. He looked around carefully. People rushed past him. No one seemed to notice. He picked it up. His heart pounded. Slowly, he opened it. Inside was a large amount of money, more than John had ever seen before. There were also credit cards, important papers, and an identification card. For a moment, John froze. His mind filled with thoughts. This money could buy food for months. It could pay school fees. It could buy shoes without holes. It could make life easier. He thought about his mother's tired hands. He thought about their empty kitchen shelves. Temptation pulled at him. But then, he heard his mother's voice in his heart. "Never take what is not yours." John closed the wallet firmly. He made his decision. He would return it. After school, he used the address on the ID card and walked across town. The streets became cleaner. The houses became larger. Finally, he reached a beautiful home. It belonged to a businessman named Daniel Cooper. John felt nervous. He had never been in such a rich neighborhood before. He knocked on the door. A housekeeper answered. Soon, Daniel Cooper himself appeared. He looked worried and stressed. He had been searching for his wallet all day. John handed it over quietly. Daniel opened it quickly. Everything was there. Every dollar, every card, every paper. Nothing was missing. Daniel looked shocked. He stared at John. This poor boy had every reason to keep the money, but he had not. "Why did you return it?" Daniel asked. John simply replied, "Because it belongs to you." Daniel was deeply moved. He smiled with true respect. He thanked John warmly and offered him money. At first, John politely refused, but Daniel insisted, saying honesty deserved reward. John accepted a small amount gratefully. Then Daniel learned about John's struggles. He learned about his hard-working mother. He learned about their difficult life. Touched by John's honesty, Daniel decided to do something greater. He helped John get a scholarship to a good school. He also helped his mother find stable work. For the first time, life began to change. Not through theft, but through honesty. John studied harder than ever. Years passed. He became successful, kind, and respected. People trusted him because his honesty never changed. And John always remembered the day he found the lost wallet. Because that day did not just test his honesty, it shaped his future. He learned that doing what is right may feel hard in the moment, but it can open doors that dishonesty never could.